In this video, I will show you how to send money from Western Union to JazzCash. So if you already have an account, you simply want to sign into your Western Union account. You can do that by going to westernunion.com or downloading and opening the app on your phone and simply clicking on login. If you don't have an account yet, then you want to do the same, but then click on sign up and it will only take a few minutes. After creating your account, you will see a screen similar to this, where you can select a country. Now what you want to go and do is here just search for Pakistan. And then select it from here by clicking on it and then click on continue. Now here you can choose how much you would like to send. Now for example, I will go with 50 Canadian dollars. Then here you can choose how you would like to pay. Now this doesn't really matter, whichever one you prefer. For example, I will go with my bank account. And then here, the delivery, you want to make sure that it is set to a mobile wallet. So make sure the amount you're sending is correct and your payment method and delivery method is also correct. And the delivery method again needs to be mobile wallet if you want to send to a JazzCash wallet. Then click continue. Now here you can pick one of your recipients or you can click add new. Then here enter their legal first and last name and optionally also their middle name and email address. Now here for the wallet service provider, you have a list of options, and if you want to send to JazzCash, you just want to select it from that list. Then here enter the wallet mobile number that is associated with the JazzCash account. Then here select the purpose of the transfer, for example a gift, and then click continue. After clicking on continue, you will get to an overview. From there, simply see if everything is correct, and if it is, click on confirm, and then you can go and pay for the transfer. And when you pay for it, then usually when you are sending money to a JazzCash account, it will arrive instantly, as you can see right here, usually delivered in real time. So those are all the steps you need to take to send money from Western Union to JazzCash. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.